Yes. Hello everyone. Welcome to this video and welcome to No Max TV. In this video, I'm going to show you this affiliate marketing platform that can pay you up to 260 USD or more. Depends on the number of sales you're making and depends on how you're working with the customers or the client on this platform. So I tried to calculate around this platform and I found that if you are a starter or if you try to get any sales which is around maybe it's a company which is starting to use this platform, you can be able to make around 260 USD per single sale you can make. So it doesn't matter how long it can take you to make this sale, maybe 1 month or 2 months. But if you are trying to win and get this amount, this is going to be a big amount of sales or big amount of earnings you can be able to get or to earn as you do affiliate marketing. So now without wasting time, let's get started. So before I also get started, remember to subscribe to this channel TV, like this video, share this with your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. So as you can see now, I'm using my computer. You can either do this on your phone, no matter how, because you're gonna be accessing the internet. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be typing GetResponse platform. This is a GetResponse. Is a GetResponse. This is a platform which is over the internet, and as you can see, this is a software company which offer different software services that people can be able to use. You can see it founded around 1997 with the headquarter in Poland. So what you're gonna do is to open this platform, as you can see it here. So after opening this platform, you're gonna be getting to see that you can be able to use different information on this platform and different links, different resources available at this platform. So before we go to understanding how much money you can be able to make and how you can be able to make it through, we have to understand what kind of products do they provide to the audience or to the customers. Because as you know, if you are doing affiliate marketing, always you're making money as you make sales for the given product. You're making sales on behalf of someone, and the money you're going to be earning is that money which comes from what people are offering for marketing purpose. So to the owner or to the affiliate marketer, you're making money as marketing team or marketing assistant, but to the owner who is providing that money to the affiliate marketer also is paying a fee or money for promoting his or her own products or services. So if you click on this product section or product column, you can see they have sign up forms which they can be able to use or to facilitate different people, either to sign up, to collect information, landing pages, website builder, conversion funnel, email marketing, and to responders, marketing automation, web push notifications, SMS marketing, e-commerce integrations, pop-up creator, AI recommendations, paid ads, course creator, premium newsletters, creators profile, and the webinars. As you can see, they have more and more. And also you can see, if you click here, you can see affiliate program, above 170 integrations, GetResponse, you can get free trials, and also all features are here. If you want to be leading more, you can be able to get them. If you want to book demo also, you can be able to book demonstration here so that they can be able to show you how you can be able to do things, or they can give you an account that you can be able to use and navigate around the platform resources and see how they work. As a affiliate marketer, if you have a book demo, this is going to be helping you to demonstrate or to explain, provide more information to the clients or to the customers you're going to be referring once you start doing affiliate marketing on this platform. So now to get started, you have also to come here to the affiliate marketing at the bottom, and also can see I have these affiliate marketing or affiliate program links. These are also the one we're gonna be using. You can see affiliate programs. So what we do is to now ensure that you can come here to this link. This is gonna be now showing us what you can be able to do. You can see I have affiliate programs. So I have to click on it. If you click on this link, you're gonna be seeing, for instance, you have a lot to do. Let's click on affiliate programs. It is gonna be giving me this information which is talking about joining the the affiliate marketing response. You can see GetResponse affiliate program. So you're gonna be now they are talking about earning a commission or 60% commission for every referral by promoting GetResponse on an affordable all-in-one solution. This is going to be helping your audience grow and engage so and convert their email marketing and automation tools into successful or into sales. So what you do is to click on now sign up now here. As you can see, you have this sign up option, which you have to click on it and sign up. So what you do is to come here and click on sign up. But before we go to the sign up option, let's go back and show you how much money you can be able to make. It depends on the sales you're making, depends on how much estimation am I providing. It depends on the amount of money you have made. So we go to the pricing sections, and if we come to the pricing section, click here and we can be directly taken to the pricing areas. Let's suppose that you're gonna be start to change, try it for free, upgrade when ready. So someone is gonna be using this, any of these two, and also you are a starter, and someone is a starter in marketing. If he's a starter, can be able maybe having a list of 1,000 people that are gonna be emailing or using email marketing to. So if we come here and if we come here, we're gonna be seeing how many resources or how many features that it comes with. Unlimited monthly email sends. Let's say you have 1,000 contacts to send email to, so we have 100,000 and above. This person is a starter, and let's try to multiply and see. And remember, we found that you can be able to make 60% commission to every sale you are making. What is going to be coming here is that if person is going to be purchasing annually subscription, if person is going to be purchasing monthly subscription, is going to be getting this one 539 times 60%, where you get 323. But let me take this annual purchase as I'm going to be getting some discount, where I take it for 1.98 times 60%, and I'm going to be getting it 265.18 USD, which is the amount of money I can be able to get to these sets. And a good thing is that there is also a free trial section. If you're going to be purchasing any of these start a free trial, you can be able to try this in a given time and also experience the platform and the features, so that we'll be able to understand when you're ready to start using these devices or these tools. You can see from what after, please note that after the first 14 days you lose access to the premium features. Here they are going to give you free trial for 14 days, and also you're going to be losing it after now 14 days, which means these are a great amount of time that we can be able to use and benefit, so that you understand how the platform works and the features work. So let's move quickly to the sign up form. What you do is to come here to the sign up section. You have to type your names, the first names, the second, let's say John. I'm gonna be adding email address, so uninja@gmail.com. So you're gonna be adding a business name, that is very fast, and also you're gonna be adding website. So now you're gonna be adding your country. You should have a URL, of course, the correct URL. Now you have to add your country. Let's say you are from Algeria. And are you currently part of an affiliate, any other affiliate programs? If yes, which ones? They're asking to understand if you are working with the other affiliates. How do you plan to promote a GetResponse to your audience? Please be specific. You have to say, for instance, so by social media, so by coupons, websites, and more. So you're gonna be blogging. You have to add more information that can be helping you to convince these people that you're gonna be, of course, useful to this. Social media links. They are asking you if you also you have social media platforms. You have to share them so that they have to check through them and see or get to know that you will be promoting their services there. And also, are you an agent? If you are agents, you have to say it. If you are not agents, also you have to choose no. And after that, you have to submit your application. So once you submit your application, of course, you have to wait for GetResponse team to also to either provide you a response if they have accepted you to participate in the program or not. And also, you will be starting enjoying earning money with affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching this video. So if you have any questions, remember to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when I upload new video here at Max TV.